Hi there, today we're at Hawk's Nest. Today's walk is along Jimmy's Beach and up the top of Yacaaba Head. We're going to have a bit of a look around before heading back here. The walk is around about 5 kilometres, I'm only about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. After parking in the car park that's just adjacent to the beach, we cross over a small sand dune and start our walk along the beach. John Gould Island is one of many islands just off the coast in this area, and there, about 1 kilometre away, is Mt Yacaaba. It's been pretty overcast and been threatening rain all morning. Let's keep our fingers crossed that it keeps dry. The earlier strong onshore wind has brought all the seaweed onto the shore. Over there on the right, that's the start to the Jimmy's Beach track. We're going to do the climb to the top first along the Yacaaba Head track. We'll do Jimmy's Beach on the way back down. There's one of my favourite trees, an old twisted red gum. The first kilometre of the walk has been reasonably easy. It's been just a gentle slope really. After nearly an hour of walking, we get a view through the trees of Jimmy's Beach and Hawk's Nest. The next 500 metres to the top is extremely steep and very rocky. Well, that's 30 metres down. Only another 470 to go. Most of the climbing is done. There's Bundella Island, and a bit further around we get an aerial view of John Gould Island. The trail continues another 15 metres or so along this rocky track along the ridge of the mountain. The track ends at this survey post. As we look across to our left, we get another view of Jimmy's Beach, and if we look across to our right, we get another view of John Gould Island. Looking south through the haze, we see Shark Island, Fingal Spit, and there's Mount Tamari. It's time to make my way back down the hill. Back down along the steep and rocky descent. On the way back down, we see the Spit. On the left, there's Port Stephens, and on the right, there's Jimmy's Beach. I'm real glad that steep and rocky section is now behind us. Back down to sea level at Jimmy's Beach. The day has spined up quite a lot. It's still a bit overcast, but I think the threat of rain is gone. Now it's on to Jimmy's Beach track. This should take us down to the Port Stephens side of the mountain. What a great view across Port Stephens, across to Nelson Bay, a bit further around to Shoal Bay, and then all the way out to Mount Tamari. My objective is to try and get out at least out as far as that point over there. I'm turning back. Walking on these big pebbles is a bit precarious and I've nearly fallen a couple of times. I'm back at the southern end of Jimmy's Beach, and and the start of the 1 kilometre walk back to our starting point. The tide is now fully out. This part of the beach is fully covered with seaweed. All that's left to do now is to make our way along this 1 kilometre nearly deserted beach back to our starting point. I made my way back down the hill and across the beach and back to the car park. Today's walk is a little bit longer than I expected. It's around about 6 kilometres and took me around about 4 hours to complete. There were some really good things to see along the way, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.